This is a sneak peek of our review that's coming in March at Audiophilia.com, a full written review of the VINNIE ROSSI L2i SE integrated amplifier, and the SE stands for Signature Edition. The L2i SE is a combination of the L2 Signature preamp and the L2 Signature monoblocks into one chassis, but with absolutely minimal concessions to design and performance. It's a Class A directly heated triode DHT preamplifier design, and you can see the two beautiful Elrod 300V tubes front and center, with a wide bandwidth purest Class AB MOSFET topology, only one pair of output devices outputting 100 watts RMS into 8 ohms with 175 watts RMS into 4 ohms. I'll be listening casually to this for the next 2 or 3 weeks over the Christmas holidays, and then do some serious listening and get the review done probably by the beginning of March, second week of March. So look out for that at Audiophilia.com. As you can see, it has superlative build quality and it has a 10-year warranty. VINNIE ROSSI makes the most gorgeous equipment. So look forward to that review and have a wonderful holiday, everybody.